Hi students, I am your geography teacher. I hope you are all well and doing well. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the location, extension and physical features of India. So physical features of India will start later. So today we will cover only these two topics, there is a location and extension of India. So if we want to discuss the location of India according to the earth, so that time we can consider that our India is located northern hemisphere, means north of the equator. And if you consider according to the prime meridian, so that time, or the Greenwich, so that time our position is eastern hemisphere. So that's why whatever we mention as a latitudes, so that time we mention only the north, and if we mention the longitude, so that time we mention the eastern or east or eastern hemisphere. So let's start. So if you consider the total area of India, so total area of India you can see over here 3287253 square kilometer. So this is our total area. So in this if it is very hard to remember, so that time you can remember in this way, 3.28 million square kilometer. If you see that the geographical area is less than the real area, so if you consider the real area, only the boundary is considered, and if you take the geographical area, so that time the height of the mountain and the plateaus and the plain area also taken. And the latitudinal extension of India 37 degree 6 minutes north to, you can say, the 8 degree 4 minute north. So both we mention the north and north, N and N, because we remains in the north of the equator or the northern hemisphere. Okay, next come to longitudinal extension 68 degree, here in the 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is our longitudinal extension, and there is a vast difference. The difference means more or less you can see the 29 to 30, you can see 30 29 to 30 degree. So if the sun rises from the east, that is the Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal means Arun means sun, so Arunachal Pradesh, so that time the sun rises in 5 p.m. here, so it will be 2 hours in the Gujarat, late in 2 hours, means 5 hours here the sun rises first sunlight and has after 2 hours in Gujarat. So this is the difference, because earth is rotating from the western side to eastern side, so sun rises first in the eastern side. Okay, so this slowly move towards the before the sun and slowly come to here, sunlight here and here and here, and after that Gujarat last. Okay, so that's why there is a 2 hours of difference of the sunlight, but we follow the one of the standard time, that is the IST. Okay, so IST here 82 degree 30 minute east. Okay, this is IST, and it cover mainly, you can say, the 5 states, that is the UP, then come to MP, and then Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So here it is in cover in this way. Okay, and another thing, thus the Tropic of Cancer passes through, that is the middle of India, and it covers 8 states. First state is Gujarat, then come to Rajasthan, then come to Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, then come to Jharkhand, then come to West Bengal is here, and then you can see the Tripura and the Mizoram. So 8 states is covered by the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so and another thing, if you one person move from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, so how much he or she have to cover? Only, you can see the 3214 kilometer here to here, means latitudinally this is the distance, and longitudinally means Gujarat to here means the Arunachal Pradesh, that is the 2399 kilometer. Okay, so these are the basic things we have to know about India. Next come to another thing, that is the extreme point of India. If you go to the north, that is the Indra Col. So Indra Col is the, you can say, the northern point of India, that is in the Siachen glacier, and another is the southern, that is the Indra point. This is in the southern, you can see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So that is our, according to this data, that is 6 degree 4 minute. And another northern point is here, that is southern point of India, that is the 8 degree 4 minute, that is the Kanyakumari. Okay, and if you consider the eastern side, our last point is the Kibuthi eastern side in Kibuthi here in Arunachal Pradesh, and the western side you can say the Guharmoti in Gujarat. That is our extension. Okay, so these are the location and extension of India. Next come to Indian states. So you can say after the abolition of the 370 Article 370 and 35A, we have only today the 28 states and 09 or 9 union territories. Okay, so you can see over here most of these are the union territories. Firstly the Ladakh, Leh, and the Jammu Kashmir also became as the part of this. Another thing is the Chandigarh, then Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar and Haveli. Okay, then come to Puducherry, then Andaman and Nicobar, and here you can see the Lakshadweep. So more or less these are our union territories. Next come to our states, 28 states. You can see the Himachal Pradesh, capital is Simla, Punjab, Chandigarh, then Haryana, this is also Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, then come to Gujarat, Gandhinagar, then come to Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Bengaluru, then Kerala, Trivandrum, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, then newly two state that Andhra Pradesh divided into two parts, that is the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The capital of that Andhra Pradesh is Amravati, and the Telangana capital is Hyderabad. Then come to Chhattisgarh, that is the capital is Raipur, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Odisha Bhubaneswar, then Bihar Patna, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, Jharkhand Ranchi, West Bengal, all we know that is the Kolkata. And next mostly important, that is the northeastern states, seven, that is also considered as the 7 states or 7 sisters, Gangtok, Sikkim, then come to Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Meghalaya, Shillong, Assam, Dispur, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Impal, and come to Mizoram, Aizawl. So these are our Indian 28 states. Okay, then come to our coastal states. Here it should be some spelling mistake, there is a coastal states. So total length of the mainland from here, Gujarat to Gujarat, Rajasthan, and here to here, the total length is 6100 kilometer. That is our total length of the land coastline, mainland of the coastline, that is the here. And another is the including the coastline, you can say the here the 7516.5 kilometer is here, and this is the total length including this one, and its total length of the land boundary is here. The total length means here the Pakistan, these are the, and previously we discussed this one is the 6100 kilometer. Okay, from here, and its cover, this coastal area covers are bounded by mainly Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, and you can see the Indian Ocean, and it covers 8 states, the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, then come to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, then Andhra Pradesh, then Odisha and West Bengal. Okay, and the total length of the land, and means including this one and this one, including 25716.5 kilometer. Okay, so this is our all about the coastal states. Okay, 8 states are there, you can see here the 8 states. And another thing, the next topic is the India and its neighboring countries. India and its neighboring countries, you can say the Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Another is the Sri Lanka. So in between you can see the India and Pakistan, there is a line, it is called the Red Cliff line. India, Afghanistan, that is the Durand line. India, China, that is the McMahon line. And another line is India, Pakistan, that is also here, it is called the LOC, or line of control. And India and Sri Lanka, there is a state, that is the Park state, it is called. Okay, and another thing you have to memorize, perhaps you know the most of the international boundary shared with the country, that is the Bangladesh. So this is all about our first part of this video, and next we discuss the another portion of the video in the next video.